Hi, Cody. Cody, 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 Cody. Hi, Cody. Can you show me your wings? Wings. Oh, look at those wings. Can you say hi? Say, wave hi. 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 Come on. Hi. Good boy. Cody, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hi, Cody Bird. Do you want to be cuddled? Do you want to be cuddled? Hmm? Oh, no. The phone is not for you to be on. Rude. Gonna keep grinding your beak. Psh, stop it. Don't you shush me. Shh. Shh. Okay, you want your head scratched. Can I scratch it for you? Oh, look at that silly face. Really? That's what we gotta say. Mm? What are you doing? Hey, get out of the tray. Get out of the tray. You don't belong in the tray, bad bird. Hi, Cody Bird. How you doing? Hi, Cody. Hi, Cody. All right. Show me your wings. Wings. Oh, look at those wings. All right. Hi. Good boy. Turn around. Can you turn around? Turn around. Turn around. Good boy. Good job, good boy. Really? Ah, don't bite me. You can't have the corn. Oh. Like, what are you doing? Get out of the tray. Get out of the tray. You don't belong in there. Hey, what did I say? Get out of the tray. Thank you. I'm gonna close it now. What are you looking at? Look at those pretty wings. Can I see your wing? Hmm? Look at that wing. Okay, I just tickle the end. Tickle, 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 tickle. Alright, alright, alright. Let's go. Wee. Wee. Hi, Cody.